Welcome once again into the class of topology, and in this lecture, in this video, we will discuss locally compact topological spaces. We have discussed countably compact, compact spaces, sequentially compact spaces, and now we are going to discuss locally compact topological spaces. So these are locally compact topological space. So first of all, we need to discuss the definition when a topological space will be called locally compact. So the definition is a topological space is said to be locally compact topological space if each point of X has at least one neighborhood whose closure is compact. So this is the definition of a locally compact topological space. A topological space will be called locally compact if each point of X, the topological space X, you take any point from the topological space X, and then for that particular point X, there will be at least one neighborhood of that point X, say N, whose closure, that means N bar, will be compact, and then the topological space will be called locally compact topological space. So this was the definition, and then we will discuss properties of locally compact topological spaces. The first one is the thing to be noted that every compact space is locally compact space. Every compact space is locally compact. So that means locally compactness implies compactness, and that is very easy, that is very trivial. Why? So let X tau be compact space. You take any point X from X, then this X itself is a neighborhood of X because it is open set also, because X belongs to tau. So this X is a neighborhood of X, and X bar is equal to X, and X is given to be compact, that means X bar is also compact. So there is a neighborhood X of, for every point X, there is a neighborhood X whose closure is compact. So this topological space will become locally compact topological space. So that is very trivial property, very easy property for locally compact spaces, that every compact space is locally compact. But the converse need not be true. Every locally compact space need not be a compact space. A locally compact space need not be a compact space. So when there is a property in topology, when there is need not be is there, what we have to do, we will have to give some counter example to prove that. So I will have to give an example of a locally compact space which is not compact, and that example is again very trivial example, very easy example. Take X to be any infinite set, and consider the discrete topology on X. Then for every X belonging to X, the singleton set X is open and X belongs to it, so it becomes a neighborhood of X because it is open and this contains X, so it is a neighborhood. And what about closure of this set? It is the set itself. Why? Because in discrete topology, every subset is open as well as closed. So here we have used the openness, and here we are using the closedness of singleton set X. And closure of X is this. This is a finite set, and we know that every finite set is compact. So this is compact. That means for every X belonging to X, you are having at least one neighborhood singleton set X of X whose closure is a finite set, so therefore it is compact. So it is locally compact without any doubt. It is locally compact, but it is not compact. Why? Because this collection of singleton sets, it forms a cover, an open cover for the topology, for the topological space X, which does not have any finite subcover, because you are having only singleton sets. This union will be equal to X. This is an open cover. If you want to have a finite cover, then infinitely many of these should be removed, but you can't remove even a single one, because whatever singleton set X you will remove from here, that particular X will not be covered by the rest of the members. So this open cover is having no finite subcover. The space is not compact. That means a locally compact space need not be compact space. So this was the example. The question may be asked in your examination in the form that prove that every compact space is locally compact, but the converse need not be true. So the theorem we have done and the counter example we have given here, the combined will be the proof of this question for your examination. And now we are going to do another theorem. Write down the statement and then we will move on to the proof. Prove that closed subspace of a locally compact space, closed subspace of a locally compact space is also locally compact. That means let X to be locally compact. I am using LC for locally compact. Let X to be locally compact. Let Y be a closed subset of X. Then the topology Y to Y is closed subspace of that given topological space X to, and we will show that if X to is locally compact, then Y to Y is also locally compact. To prove that this Y to Y is locally compact, what we will have to do? We will take an arbitrary element small y from this topological space Y, and then we will find a neighborhood of that particular point Y whose closure will be compact, and that will make this closed subspace locally compact space. So let small y be an element of this Y, that was the closed subset of X. So let Y be an element of Y, and since Y is a subset of X, this Y belongs to X also. Y belongs to X and X to Y is locally compact. So there will be a tau neighborhood of Y whose closure will be compact, let it be N. So therefore there exists a tau neighborhood N of Y such that N bar closure of N is compact. Now intersect this N with Y, and rename it as M. N was neighborhood of y, tau neighborhood of y, and tau neighborhood of y intersected with y will become tau y neighborhood of y. So this M is, then M is tau y neighborhood of y. This is the tau neighborhood of y, and we will show that closure of M is compact. So by doing that, we have obtained a tau y neighborhood of y whose closure is compact, making that y tau y a locally compact space. But still we need to prove that M bar is compact. N intersection y is a subset of N without any doubt. And we know that if A is a subset of B, then A bar is a subset of B bar. And N intersection Y is M. So I can use M here. M bar is a subset of N bar. And N bar is compact. Note it here. N bar is compact. And M bar is closed. This is closed. And this is compact. And we know that closed subset of a compact set or compact space, closed subset of a compact space or compact set is also compact. So this means this M bar is tau y compact. So what we have done, we have taken an arbitrary point y, small y, from topological space y, and we have obtained a tau y neighborhood M of y whose closure is tau y compact, and this means your y tau y is locally compact. So this was what we required to prove. So here we have proved that closed subspace of a locally compact space is locally compact, and here I am going to stop this video. In the next video we will have more and more theorems, more and more properties on local compactness, and then we'll move ahead. Till then, thank you once again.